Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to prepare Goan Kingfish Ambot cake. This tastes best with the basmati rice or the Goan steam rice. Here I have taken around 14 pieces of small kingfish. To that I will be adding salt and keep it aside for around 10 to 15 minutes, or even more will be better. While that is getting marinated in a separate small bowl, we will take a bowl of tamarind. To that I will add a little Goan toddy vinegar and some hot water and keep it for soaking for around 15 minutes so that all the juices comes out from the tamarind when we are grinding it. Now we will prepare a masala. In a mixer jar I will put some chillies, cumin, cinnamon, cloves, garlic, ginger, pepper, turmeric powder and half tomato. We will grind this to the fine paste by adding our soaked tamarind water along with the vinegar. Now we will take a pan. Into that we will add some oil, and while our oil is getting heated we will take two large onions and finely chop them. Now we will nicely fry the onions till the color changes. This will take around 5 to 6 minutes. Now, once the onions have nicely fried, we will add into this our masala which we have grinded to a fine paste and fry the masala for around 3 to 4 minutes. We will add some water to our grinder so that we can utilize all the masala which is there for the grinder. Now put this water into our masala and let it cook for around 5 to 6 minutes. Friends, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and also the bell button for the updates of my new videos. Now our masala has been cooking for around 6 minutes. To this we will add in a kokum, dried kokum. This we have made at home. And now to this we will add some sugar and give it a mix. And I will add half of a maggie cube. Once our gravy becomes thick, I will add into it the Goan coconut jaggery. If the gravy has thickened up, you can add more water. Give it a mix and let it cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add in the fish and let it cook for around 10 to 15 minutes or till the fish is done. You can adjust the salt and sugar as per your taste. You can even add 2 green chillies if the Ambot is not spicy. Ambot is ready and it's ready to enjoy. Thank you.